Imagine this. A student raises their hand, asking a complex calculus question. The teacher takes a deep breath, ready to explain. But before they can start, an AI assistant chimes in, instantly breaking down the problem with crystal clear steps and vivid examples. Welcome to the classroom of 2025, where students are learning at warp speed, powered by AI study tools that seem almost magical. But hold on a second, can a machine truly replace the warmth and wisdom of a human teacher? The nurturing guidance, the motivational pep talks, the ability to connect on a personal level. As we step into this brave new world of education, classrooms are transforming before our eyes. AI has become the ultimate tutor, available 24/7, never tiring, always patient. Yet, teachers still stand at the front of the room, their role evolving into something new and vital. So, who comes out on top in this educational showdown? The answer might just blow your mind. Let's dive into the AI revolution sweeping through our schools. These intelligent systems are like having a genius study buddy in your pocket, ready to tackle any subject at lightning speed. Need help with a tricky physics equation? AI breaks it down in seconds, offering multiple approaches and real-world applications. Struggling with a Shakespeare sentence, your digital assistant can analyze the text, explain the metaphors, and even generate practice questions to test your understanding. The results are staggering. Students using AI-powered study apps are absorbing information and mastering concepts up to 10 times faster than traditional methods. It's like they've unlocked a secret level in the game of learning, effortlessly conquering topics that once seemed insurmountable. From elementary school arithmetic to advanced college courses, AI is leveling the playing field and opening doors to knowledge that were previously out of reach for many. But let's pause for a moment and consider the human element. While AI excels at delivering facts and figures, there's an intangible quality that only flesh and blood teachers can provide. Picture a student struggling not just with the material, but with self-doubt and anxiety. Can an algorithm offer a reassuring smile or a well-timed word of encouragement? Can it share personal stories of overcoming challenges, igniting a spark of inspiration in a young mind? This is where teachers truly shine in the classroom of 2025. They become emotional anchors in a sea of information. When a student's motivation wavers, it's the teacher who notices the subtle signs, pulling them aside for a heart-to-heart conversation. When a class tackles a controversial topic, it's the teacher who guides the discussion, fostering critical thinking and empathy. These human connections are the foundation upon which true learning is built. As we peer into the classrooms of this near future, we see a fascinating hybrid emerging. Gone are the days of rigid lectures and rote memorization. Instead, students navigate a personalized learning journey with AI as their constant companion and guide. They tackle adaptive assignments tailored to their individual strengths and weaknesses, receiving instant feedback and suggestions for improvement. But the teacher remains at the heart of this new ecosystem. They orchestrate the learning experience, curating the best AI tools and resources for their students. They lead engaging discussions, challenging students to apply their AI-acquired knowledge to real-world problems. And perhaps most importantly, they nurture the soft skills that no machine can replicate: emotional intelligence, teamwork, and leadership. The power of this collaboration between AI and human educators is nothing short of revolutionary. Students are no longer limited by the pace of the class or the expertise of a single teacher. They can explore their passions, diving deep into niche subjects with the support of AI tutors. Meanwhile, teachers are freed from the drudgery of grading and repetitive explanations, allowing them to focus on what they do best: inspiring, mentoring, and shaping young minds. But this brave new world of education isn't without its challenges. As AI becomes more sophisticated, there are valid concerns about over-reliance on technology. Will students lose the ability to think critically if they always have an instant answer at their fingertips? How do we ensure that the human touch isn't lost in the rush to embrace AI? These are the questions that educators, policymakers, and parents are grappling with as we navigate this transformative era. The key lies in striking the right balance. AI should be seen as a powerful tool in the educational arsenal, not a replacement for human wisdom and experience. Just as calculators didn't eliminate the need for math teachers, AI assistants won't make flesh and blood educators obsolete. Instead, they're empowering teachers to be more effective than ever before, amplifying their impact and reaching students in ways that were once impossible. Imagine a future where every student has access to world-class education, regardless of their background or location, where personalized learning paths unlock hidden potential, and where teachers have the time and resources to nurture not just academic skills, but also character, creativity, and emotional intelligence. This is the promise of the AI-enhanced classroom of 2025. So, who wins in the showdown between AI and teachers? The answer is clear: we all do. Students benefit from the best of both worlds, harnessing the power of AI to accelerate their learning while still receiving the irreplaceable guidance and support of human teachers. Educators find themselves liberated to focus on the most meaningful aspects of their profession, armed with unprecedented tools to reach and inspire their students. The classroom of 2025 isn't about man versus machine. It's about the incredible potential unleashed when human creativity and compassion join forces with artificial intelligence. It's a future where learning knows no bounds, where every student can unlock their full potential, and where teachers continue to shape the hearts and minds of the next generation. As we stand on the brink of this educational revolution, one thing is certain: the future of learning is brighter than ever before. The partnership between AI and teachers isn't just changing how we teach and learn. It's redefining what's possible in education. And that, my friends, is a future worth getting excited about. So, are you ready to step into the classroom of tomorrow?